Hello everyone, welcome to this live session video. Here we have a nice algebra math olympiad question. X plus y equal to 24, xy equal to 48. How do we solve for x and y? From this equation, if we move y to the right hand side, we simply have x equal to 24 minus y. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to replace this x with 24 minus y. Doing that, we simply have 24 minus y times y equal to 48. 24 times y, that is 24y, minus y times y, that is minus y squared, equal to 48. This implies that rearranging this equation, we simply have y squared minus 24y plus 48 equal to 0. Now, to obtain the value of y, we can solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method. So the first thing we're going to do is to transfer this constant to the right hand side. So we have y squared minus 24y equal to minus 48. That's the first step in completing the square method. The second step is that we're going to add half of the coefficient of y and at the same time square it to both sides. The coefficient of y here is minus 24, minus 24. So half of it is minus 24 over 2, and we square it. That means we are going to add minus 24 over 2 all square to both sides. That's the second step. This implies that y square minus 24y plus minus 24 over 2 all squared equal to the right hand side minus 48 plus this guy minus 24 over 2 all squared. Let me adjust the camera. So let's continue. We can combine this left hand side. Doing that, we have y minus 24 over 2 all squared. That is, when you expand this left hand side, this guy, you will have all of this guy back. This now equal to the right hand side minus 48 plus minus 24 divided by 2 all squared. Let's continue. This means that y minus 24 divided by 2, that is 12, all squared, equal to minus 48 plus minus 24 divided by 2, that is minus 12, all squared. Let's proceed further. So we have y minus 12 all squared equal to minus 48 plus, what is minus 20, minus 12 rather? What is minus 12 all squared? That is 144. Let's proceed further. We have y minus 12 all squared equal to minus 48 plus 144, that gives 96. Now, let us take square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. Doing that, we have y minus 12 equal to plus or minus square root of 96. This implies that y minus 12 is equal to plus or minus. I can rewrite square root of 96 as square root of 16 times square root of 6. Let's continue. This means that y minus 12 is equal to plus or minus. What is square root of 16? That is 4 times square root of 6. This means that. Now, let's move this constant to the right hand side. So we're going to have y equal to 12 plus or minus 4 times square root of 6. This means that y is either equal to 12 plus 4 root 6 or y is equal to 12 minus 4 root 6. You will see that we have two values of y. We can then use these two values to obtain the value of x. So since x is equal to 24 minus y, let me show you where we got this equation from. It's basically from this line. Let's continue. What we have to do now is to consider each value of y. So let's consider this guy first. When y is equal to 12 plus 4 times square root of 6. So we have to plug in this value here. So that will be x equal to 24 minus into this guy 12 plus 4 root 6. X equal to 24 minus times 12, that is negative 12, minus times plus, that is negative 4 root 6. X equal to 24 minus 12, that is 12, minus 4 root 6. That means the first solution, x comma y, is equals to x is 12 minus 4 root 6, comma, and the value of y is what we have here, 12 plus 4 root 6. This is the first solution. Now, let us quickly consider the other value of y. This guy, y equals to 12 minus 4 root 6. Let's manage this side. So when y is equal to 12 minus 4 root 6, what we just have to do is to substitute it into this expression or equation. So that will be x equal to 24 minus 12 minus 4 root 6. This gives x equal to 24 minus times 12, that is minus 12, minus times minus, that is plus 4 root 6. X is equal to 24 minus 12, that is 12, plus 4 root 6. That means the second solution is x comma y equal to s is this 12 plus 4 root 6, comma, and the value of y is what we have here, 12 minus 4 root 6. 12 minus 4 root 6. This is the second solution. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for joining this live session video. Please share your tips. Please tell me if this video was helpful And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.